Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the e-tron will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.